crazy. As hell, it's 8 in the morning. I decided, fuck it, let's do a driving POV. I got a couple errands I need to run in the cat this morning anyway, so y'all finna run with me. Oh God. But nah, I ain't gonna lie. If y'all wonder why my check engine light on, cause I haven't drove my car for like 2 weeks. I've been sick as shit. I ain't even gonna cap. So I'm just now charging it back up. And if you do know with these cars, the check engine light do come on. It stay on for a little bit. You just gotta drive until it turn off. But I hope y'all having a good morning, man. I'm feeling a lot better. Now it's time to get back on this grind for real. I ain't gonna count. I got a couple other videos I need to drop too. That's on the way. I think I'm gonna go to the, since I'm feeling better, I think I'm gonna set up a date either this week or next week for the family to go to the gun range. There we go. Not that good, not that color.
Side K-band.
I don't know, the lights don't really look good, but we don't even need them for real. Fuck them. Shit. It's a little wet, ain't it? A little wet, ain't it? I ain't did a driving POV in a minute. I ain't gonna cap to you. I haven't even did a driving POV in a real long time, man. I do miss it though, feel me? Taking them drives. My shit sound way louder. What the fuck? I don't know, it's probably because it's cold outside, y'all think? What y'all think? When it's cold outside, you do get a lot more horsepower or some shit. Like, I don't know, everything run crazy when it's cold. But it feels good in Texas though, like it ain't like major cold. Like, see, I'm from the D, you feel me? I'm from Detroit and shit. So like, it get cold as fuck down there. It's probably snowing down there to be honest with you. It's definitely probably snowing down there. But Texas, man, I be seeing y'all niggas can't really handle that cold for real. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the fuck? I ain't wanna do that. Yo, that shit sound crazy. Oh my God, y'all hear that? Hold on, bitch, I gotta get this on video. Where my phone at? Crazy. God damn. Alright, let's slow it down, school. Y'all hear that bitch? That bitch sound good. Oh my God. That bitch sound crazy. Oh yeah. It's time to drive a lot more. Oh my mama. It's time to drive a lot more. Y'all hear that shit? Oh my God. Come make my shit sound so good. Hold on, bitch. I gotta hear that shit. Let me see something. Hold on. Oh God, we gonna look. That bitch literally sound crazy. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Being cold out here, I guess it's a little cold, you feel me? Yeah. That hoe go crazy. Oh my mama. Kill your nigga, run over my children. Well, I'm gonna play that bitch on my mama. Kill your money and run the fight. But I ain't gonna live life fuck the fight. Oh Lord, oh I forgive them. Watch over like children.
You know they beating me, my brother tried to kill them.
Surviving everything, we are big cocaine. I'm still in the game, we don't give no name. What, for real? Okay then. That hoe ain't breathe. I know this hoe ain't breathing right. That bit looking for oxygen. Oh God. Oh God. Man, came here, run the fight. I'm high in the lights, been a fuck the fight. Oh Lord, oh I forgive them. Watch over our children. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what else to do to the cat for. I ain't doing shit else to this car for. I ain't gonna lie. You don't need to do too much, gang. Cause once you start doing shit, that's when more problems come. I be forgetting that shit. Like a nigga be wanting to do shit, but it be like, you feel me? That shit come with problems. Like I'm cool with smaller pulley, green belt. What the fuck is this nigga doing? Bullshit. Oh, and it's this one spot. Oh, yeah, I forgot. My partner says this one spot he want me to go check out for him. Oh, bro. He said, oh, yeah, I definitely gotta go check that hoe out. Might as well. After I pull up, God, them niggas, boy.
Front KA band.
Them niggas up here. And like that V look nice.
Rear KA band.
Red, that cherry. Yeah, that's cherry blossom or just dark cherry. That bitch so sexy. Oh, that's regular. That bitch just popping. Oh, that hoe just popping, gang. Hoe just sound crazy, gang. I ain't gonna hold bitch. What? We at least going 70 on this road, G.
Rear K-band. Mute memory. Red light camera ahead.
Oh God, bitch, hell no. What the fuck?
Front X-band.
Bro, but damn.
Front K-band. Red light camera ahead.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm on some fat shit. Popeye sound good as hell for lunch. Whole time. And cause I got the cold air on. Man, what the fuck? But nah, man, that's the end of the video, man. I'ma fuck with y'all. I'ma get back with y'all on the next one, you feel me? I appreciate y'all. Rich nephh out, gang. No.
We doing the most, wherever you catch him, told the handshake cool, but I leave shit on the floor. Smoke, don't no choke, nothing nigga down, I know this shit no joke.